Hey everyone, welcome to this video where we're going to do a builder gel infill on these nails right here. So I did these nails a few weeks ago. You might remember I do have a video on my channel of this tutorial. There was charms on her ring fingers, but we had to remove them for a soccer match. So we did that about a week ago. I'm just showing you my new drill there from Melody Susie. I'm so happy with it. It's so good. So I've been using it on my clients and I'm loving it. It is such a good e-file. So I'm just going to go in with this removal bit right here, and this is a safety removal bit, and I am going to go in and I'm going to remove about 70% of that builder gel with that bit. Then I went in and just nipped off a couple of the pearls that were still on her nails, and yeah, I'm just making sure that I'm getting most of the bulk off here. I'm not going to spend too much time on the removal part of this video, but I am going to show you every step that I do, just slightly sped up. So once I have this part done, I'm going to switch up the bits. So I'm going to take out that safety removal bit and I'm going to pop in my cuticle prep bit. So I love this bit right here. I use this at about 5,000 RPMs and I'm going to go from right to left. And then when I'm finished going from right to left on every nail, I'm going to put it in reverse and I'm going to go from left to right. And then that's also going to be at 5,000 RPMs. And this is just crucial for pushing back the eponychium and exposing all that new growth, taking off that dead skin that's left there, the cuticle on the nail plate. And it's such a crucial part for your nail prep for whatever type of enhancement you're doing. If you're doing gel or if you're doing gel X or acrylic or gel polish, it's just crucial that you do this part. It's so good for your prep. Okay, so next up we're going to go in with our mini sanding band, and we're going to go in with this at about 5,000 RPMs and just go over the new nail growth. So nice and gentle, we're just going to etch that new nail growth, and then we're going to pull it down over the builder gel that's left there. So with the bit that I just used to do the bulk of the removal, obviously that's a more coarse bit, so you have a little bit more edges left and bulkiness. This, I'm going to use this bit to help smooth that out and go down the side walls and just make sure that it's a nice flat surface. It's not an uneven surface, because if your surface is uneven, the gel is going to seep into those little divots and it's just going to make your life a lot harder when you're trying to get a nice smooth finish, and you're going to have more finish filing to do and it just adds on to your time. So a big tip for any new nail techs is just to try and get the removal as smooth as possible, if you know what I mean. Then I'm going to go in with my lint-free wipe and acetone, and I'm just going to remove all the dust and all the particles out of those nails and make sure I get right into the cuticle area when I'm doing this also. And then I'm going to go in with my base coat and scrub that base coat nice and hard into your nail plate. Try not to touch your skin, of course. Just cover the whole surface of the nail plate with this base coat and cure for 60 seconds. Okay, so I actually applied that form off camera because it was out of frame, so I didn't get it on camera, so I'm so sorry about that. But I am just going to apply the builder gel in a bead near to the edge of the natural nail, and I'm just going to pull it down onto the form for just to give the bit of length to add the extension. Once I have that done, I'm just going to go in with my liner brush and I'm just going to pull that gel up to the sidewalls to make the sidewalls even so that I don't have any gaps in those sidewalls. And then I'm going to pop it in for a full cure. So next I'm going to show you my application on the other nails of builder gel. So I'm going to just apply a bead near to the cuticle area and push it up towards that area without touching the skin, and just pull it down from side to side down the surface of the nail. And then I'm going to use my liner brush to pull that gel closer to the sidewalls and closer to the cuticle area. And I'm also using my line of light, so you can see that light that's shining onto the nail there. So that's from my nail lamp in my room. And I'm just always looking at that to make sure that there's no lumps or waves. And then I kind of know my application is going pretty well. So yeah, I'm just going to let you watch my application of this gel on all the nails, and then I'm going to come back to you for the design. But just to let you know that the gel is Nail Reserve LA's Rosy Fusion. So it's their builder in a bottle, and this shade is absolutely gorgeous. It's perfect for French, as you will see closer to the end. But yeah, it's so cute. I'm just nipping off the edge of that extension as well because it was just a little bit too long, so I just went in with a nail clippers and clipped it off, and then I'm just going to shape it up before going in with my bead for the whole surface of the nail. So once I have that done, then this nail is kind of good to go. It does need to be finish filed as it is a little bit thick looking, but yeah, pretty much good to go. You would never know she had broken her nail. So I hope you're enjoying this video, guys. I hope you're getting some value or benefit or little tips from it. And if you have any questions, do not hesitate to comment and I will get back to you as soon as possible. I always get back to every comment. Now I'm just going to go in with the design part of it. So this is the little ghost. So she requested some cute little ghosts. That was her words. And we are just going to start with the head. So just doing a little circle with my liner brush. And I'm just pulling down the gel paint, and then I'm going to do the body a little bit wider. So a little circle for the head and then a wider kind of oval shape for the body. So it's very, very simple. These ghosts are everywhere. Some of them have little smiley faces on them, which I think is so cute. And they can come in all colours. I've seen pinks and, you know, greens and everything. I think Halloween nail art is so fun. You don't have to go traditional black and orange and green. You can pretty much do whatever you want now. So I think it's so cute. So yeah, I'm basically just using my gel paint here, the Glitter Bells black and white. And once I have that cured, I'm going to go in with a dotting tool and I'm going to do his eyes and then his mouth. So just 2 little dots for the eyes and then just a bigger dot, kind of an oval shaped dot. So he has that little shocked look on his face. And then I'm just going to do the little creases in his body. So just some little black lines, really, really faint lines, and they just look like the little creases in the ghost's body. Yeah, so that's it then. And once I have that done, I'm just going to pop that in to cure, and I'm going to give that a full cure, and I'm going to go in and do the French on the rest of the nails. So my French is just from left to right mostly, and then I just kind of join it all up. She wanted kind of in between a thick and a thin French, so she was happy with this. And I think it's the perfect thickness actually for the size of these nails, because I think any thicker and they would just look too bulky. So yeah, I'm just going in and painting. As you can see, these gel paints are so pigmented. They're the Glitter Bells Unbelievable Gel. If you want to look them up on their website, they're so good. This was us joking around then, showing our nails to the camera. And yeah, I'm just going to let you watch the rest of this French tip application. I'll be back in a few. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much if you made it this far into the video. I really appreciate it. These are her nails. They're so cute. I'm so happy with them and she loves them. So thank you so much again, and I will see you in the next one.